Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make do-it-yourself fall centerpiece using upcycle product or recycle product. So these Snapple, I have a lot of those bottles as I like them. So we're just gonna recycle them. So you needed Snapple or any kinds of glass bottles or plastic bottles you wanted to recycle or upcycle. And then besides that, you need these mums from Dollar Tree. They're $1 for 5. So I bought 2 of these, and then I bought 2 of these. They were a set of 5 as well. So total $4. And besides that, I have this thrift store candle stand which I bought for $1.50. So 4 plus 150 will be $5.50. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna clean this bottle. So dip that in a water and leave it for probably 10 minutes, and it will come up very easily. And whatever the residual will be right here with the glue, you just use Goo Gone and it'll be gone. I already cleaned my bottles very nicely. Here I clean them, and then to give a really natural look and real, I fill them with water. My kids are little, but they're not that little that they will go and knock these bottles out. So what I am going to do, I'm going to use this and I'll place it over here, and then that is the second. I go the third, and then here is the one more. Total 5 I have because it's the 5. I'm holding phone in one hand, and I hope you see it what I'm trying to do here. I wanted to keep this video for 5 minutes so you guys don't get bored or something. So what we're gonna do, I break them apart and these flowers in set of 3-3. So let's start, since it's Halloween centerpiece, but you can make any centerpiece using these kind of things, upcycling stuff. So here, these 3 are going right here. I guess I'm in a stand so you can see better. And then next we gonna orange, just give a fall look better. So next we're gonna place into those 3, and then again using these 3 will go in here, and let's do another 3 which will go into this last bottle. I hope you see it because I am holding phone with one hand. The stand I bought tripod didn't work from Amazon. It was sucks. We're returning it. Here. So I placed all of them, and that's the centerpiece is ready now. You can see it in the center of the my dining area. I show you like this right here too. $5.50 made me a beautiful centerpiece which looks really pretty, and I'll show you. By the way, this tablecloth I bought it from Walmart, $3.68 or 98 cents, something like that, $4. My table is really big for like 10 people, so it was small. I just overlapped the other half of it, and I'm going to sew it right here. It really looks nice and pretty. Oh, let me show you guys how does that centerpiece look on the from like right here from farther. I hope you like it and you enjoy it. $5.50. That centerpiece is not a bad idea. I do have one more like candle stand, and that's $1.52. I bought it from Goodwill or some sort of thrift store. I am going to show you that as well. So change it wherever you want it, like however you want it. So if we replace them like on, how would it look on the other one? Let me show you guys. Bringing that to this one and moving it. Here's another one. Here's another one. So however you want it, it looks beautiful and it is not that expensive. So think outside the box and think to spend less money on everything you do. I promise, by living frugally but with thoughtful resources and thoughtful living, you will really like to enjoy your start to enjoy your life. Sometime I ramble, so ignore that and let me know what kind of videos would you guys like to know and watch. I really appreciate 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago I started my channel, and I do appreciate the views and everything. Let me know how can I help you and what kind of tutorial I could bring more. Happy watching and happy fall. Have a great day and subscribe below if you haven't yet.